Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RISHONVI'S car review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Honda Civic. So actually I haven't been posting videos for a long time because I got really bored because people weren't subscribing, so I saw more subscribers, so I thought I'd just post a video. So yeah, let's get on to the review, and make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button for more videos, and like this video. Let's get started. So here's the front. My friend's sitting over there, and here's the front. Like, see down here. There's actually also a reverse camera, but yeah. And there's also the back. Always the back, but nice. Okay, and here's the other side. Here's the other side too, yeah. Okay. Here's the radio. You have to press F, so if you want to like choose your own radio station. Okay, and then press V, this comes gone. And if you press Q 2 times, or just once, I mean, yeah, the reverse camera shows. So let's back. Okay, let's see. Let's drive. The maximum speed is 103. So yeah, let's see. Yep. Okay, we're gonna make a quick stop there. See. Let's get. If you press G, CarPlay. Okay, and then stop it right here. And if you press enter, it stops. And here over here is the window for my side, and the window for my friend's side, and the window for my other friend's side, and the window from here. Okay, so this is the cruise main. So you just put the speed, and if you want to put the speed you want it to, you press this, and then boom, it comes. And these are like the headlights. I don't think they work. And right here is the wipers. Okay guys, so let's see if we can drive this Honda Civic a little more faster. Yeah, I don't think it will, but yeah. But we can still make it faster by like see how much speed it goes in kmh or SPS. Start it up, press enter. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, there, it works now. Well, if you press the brake instantly, it stops. Well, you can press it hard if you want. Turn signals C, Z. Okay. Okay. Stop by there. And yeah, so I also have a Mercedes-Benz, but I'm gonna be revealing that in the next video. So yeah, well, it was like red in the first, but I added some new features to it and like a home pod so you can listen to music. But it won't work for me because this is my friend's car I'm revealing and I made it for him. There's a car freshener. Okay, and yeah, he pressed F so it works. Okay then, so I think this is the end of the video. So yeah, remember what I said? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for more videos, like this video, and leave a comment down below. So I'll see you in the next video anyways.